this question using long division method or power series method. Find inverse jet transform of. Here two questions are given. We have to find out the inverse jet transform of these two questions using long division method, which is also called as power series method. Let us see how to do this. What is first question? Given x of z is equal to 1 by 1 minus a into z inverse. Here the region of convergence is important. The region of convergence is given as mod z greater than a. That means a circle outside. So whenever the region of convergence is greater than or outside some circle is given, so therefore we have to write x of n is a causal or right-sided sequence. First point you have to observe that x of n is a causal or right-sided sequence. That means it consists of, as we have discussed, consists of right-sided sequence or causal sequence consists of negative powers of z. Negative powers of z. So as the name itself indicates, division method, we have to divide the numerator with the denominator. So let us write the denominator. So 1 minus a z inverse, the numerator is 1. So to get causal or right-sided sequence, always start the denominator with a constant. To get x of n as causal or right-sided sequence, start the denominator with a constant. Remember this hint. So therefore, to get 1 here, multiply with 1. So 1 into 1, 1 minus a z inverse. Minus a z inverse into 1 is minus a z inverse. So cancel out these two. 1 gets cancels out. So which will come out as a z inverse. So to cancel out a z inverse, plus multiply with a z inverse. A z inverse into 1 is a z inverse minus a square z power minus 2. Just cancel out these two, plus a square z power minus 2. So to cancel out this term, multiply with a square z power minus 2. A square z power minus 2 into 1 is a square z power minus 2 minus a cube into z power minus 3. So just cancel out these two, plus a cube z power minus 3. To cancel out this term, multiply with a cube z power minus 3 plus so on. So leave this division after 4 or 5 terms. So therefore what we can write? We can write x of z as, write the summation 1 plus a z inverse plus a square z power minus 2 plus a cube z power minus 3 plus so on. If you take the inverse jet transform of x of z, the sequence x of n is given as 1. You can see that the second element is a, the third element is a square, the fourth element is a cube, so on. Keep the arrow here, n is equal to 0. You see that it is a right-sided sequence or causal sequence. So this is the answer for this problem. So let us cross-check the same answer because it is a standard signal. So therefore what is given? X of z is given as 1 by 1 minus a z inverse. What is the region of convergence is given? A circle outside. So let us rearrange the terms. Z by z minus a. So you can easily say that what is x of n? X of n is equal to, this is a standard signal, a power n into u of n. So that means this sequence starts from n is equal to 0 towards right side. If you substitute in form of elements, let us write in the form of elements. If n is equal to 0, a power 0 is 1. If n is equal to 1, a. If n is equal to 2, a square. If n is equal to 3, a cube, so on. So keep n is equal to 0 here. We can see that, so these two answers are same. These two answers are same. So in this way, you can cross check the answer. Our answer is correct. So let us do the second problem. So that is, what is the second problem is given as x of z is equal to 1 by 1 minus a z inverse. Here you see that the region of convergence is given inside the circle of radius A. Whenever the region of convergence is given inside a circle, remember that x of n is a anti-causal or left-sided sequence. Anti-causal or left-sided sequence. So, as we had discussed, anti-causal or left-sided sequence consists of positive powers of z. Positive powers of z. We have to write this positive powers of z. So, in order to get positive powers of z, let us rearrange the terms of the denominator. First, take highest negative power first. Remember this hint. First, we have to write highest negative power first plus 1. We have to divide numerator with this denominator, but we have to rearrange the terms of the denominator. Ensure that we have to write highest negative power first. Highest negative power first. So now, to get 1 here, you have to multiply with 1 by a. You can see that minus into minus plus, a gets cancelled out, z. So if you multiply with this, you get 1 minus 1 by a into z. So 1 gets cancelled out, plus 1 by a into z. So to get 1 by a into z, multiply with minus 1 by a square z square. So minus into minus plus, it will come out as 1 by a z. So therefore 1 by a z minus 1 by a square z square. So just cancel out these two, plus 1 by a square z square. So again multiply with to get this term. So multiply with minus 1 by a cube z cube. So you get 1 by a square z square minus 1 by a cube z cube. Just cancel out these two terms. So plus 1 by a cube z cube. So to get this term, multiply with minus 1 by a power 4 into z power 4 minus so on. Just after 4 or 5 terms, leave this division. So therefore we can write x of z as, write the summation minus 1 by a into z minus 1 by a square into z square minus 1 by a cube into z cube minus 1 by a power 4 into z power 4 minus so on. So if you take the inverse z transform, this summation is written as, first write, because there is no constant, first write 0. The second term is minus 1 by a. The third term is minus 1 by a square. The next term is minus 1 by a cube minus so on. We have to keep the arrow here. Clearly we have to mention n is equal to 0. So this is a left-sided sequence or anti-causal sequence. So let us cross check our answer is correct or not, because it is a standard signal. Cross check. What it is given? It is given as x of n is equal to 1 by 1 minus a z inverse, but the region of convergence is given inside the circle of radius a. Let us rearrange the terms, z by z minus a. So the region of convergence is mod z less than a. So if you take, so this is x of z. So if you take the inverse z transform, x of n is equal to minus a power n into u of n minus 1. So the z transform of this is z by z minus a, but the region of convergence is inside the circle of radius a. So where this sequence starts? This sequence starts at n is equal to minus 1 towards the left side. So in the form of elements, you can write it as, because there is no 0 term, just substitute n is equal to 0. So substitute when n is equal to minus 1, a power minus 1, 1 by a. The second element is minus 1 by a. If you substitute n is equal to minus 2, this term will come out as minus 1 by a square. The next term will come out as minus 1 by a cube, so on. So in this way you can cross check the answer that our answer is correct. So in this way you can do the problems on long division method or power series method. Thank you.